have the grind. So today, anyhow, how I want you to chant is what you are going to chant tomorrow, in which speed, what pitch, how you are going to keep your facial expression. But joining hand is below the chin, not covering the mouth. Okay. So that pitch high and don't go too fast, but don't drag and make it slow. Start from Guruna Hatva.
गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुम् भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामास्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान् न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः
Avapya.
अवाप्य भूमा वसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यौ सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम् सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा हृषीकेशम् गुडाकेशः परन्तप न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा
Shitoshna.
शीतोष्णसुखदुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्याः तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत
Again, towns.
तां स्थितिक्षस्व
Not he, not he, ti. Towns titiksha, not tithi.
तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत
Start from Agama Payano.
आगमापायिनो नित्याः तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत यौ हि न व्यथयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषशभ
Nityasyokta.
नित्यस्योक्ता शरीरिणः अनाशिनो प्रमेयस्य तस्माद्युध्यस्व भारत य एनौ वेत्ति हन्तारम् यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ
Sarve vayam.
सर्वे वयमतः परम् देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनञ्जरा तथा
Kaumara.
कौमारं यौवनञ्जरा
Don't say yo. Yau. Au ki matra is there, darling.
कौमारं यौवनञ्जरा
Not yo. Not yo. Yau.
कौमारं यौवनञ्जरा तथा
So you
दे
mark this, huh? You mark this and keep that you have to practice. If you say yovanam, the half mark will go.
Yeah, I'll see
Any
the
any
video.
mark, any mark half gone is costing our first prize. We are aiming first prize only. Okay. So while practicing, we will have to keep that in mind that our practice, our pronunciation, there should not be any 0.1% chance also of missing anything. Then after that, if we are missing first prize, then we should not feel bad because we have covered all our points. But without correcting, and if you are appearing, then we have no rights for the first rank. Okay. So, yau, au should come, not yo. Say again.
देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनञ्जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति
Vijanitaha.
विजानीतः नान्यो हन्ति न हन्यते न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो
Bruhi.
ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहंसाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नं न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्
Yadva.
यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः
Anarya.
अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वयि उपपद्यते
Madhusudana.
मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजा
Madhusudanaha.
मधुसूदनः श्रीभगवानुवाच
Excellent. Perfect.
तस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्
नानुशोचन्ति.
नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः न त्वेवाहं जातु नासम्.
Excellent. Well done. Well prepared. Good tone. The only thing your voice is now sore, no? So you have to do gargling at least today 2-3 times, huh? And not to scream. Don't eat anything cold, ice cream, nothing. Preserve it for tomorrow. Okay. Excellent. Well done. Well done. Bye. So tomorrow, traditional dress. Ika has to be there. Okay. Loud voice, clear voice, slow. Judges should not have a doubt in mind what they have heard. And if you have audience, then you should mesmerize the audience with the power of the chanting. So the chanting cannot be slow or fast and with a soft voice. No, there has to be strength in the voice. And you should look into the eyes of the audience also and of the judges also. You should not look plainly up at the ceiling and somewhere lost to the walls. No. Each individual you should face if there is audience. And every individual you should turn your head and look into their eyes. If there are more than 2 judges, look at all those judges looking into their eyes, into the eyes. So no vague gaze anywhere. Straight to the people. That much confidence should be there. And not to strain the eyebrow, forehead. Maintain a smile if you don't remember, but don't do like this. Okay. All the best, my darling. Lovely.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Hari Om, dear. Hey, Sweetu. Come. All set?
Yes.
Yes. From where you would like to start? We'll start from Shudram.
रुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं
Daurbalyam say, not Daurbalyam. Daurbalyam.
क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्तोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्ममहं सङ्ख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हा वरिसूदन.
Janadhipaha.
जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परं देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारे यौवनञ्जरा.
Yauvanam. See, when I was telling to Bhaiya, you were listening, right? So you should correct it that. Yauvanam.
कौमारे यौवनञ्जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः धीरस्तत्प्रणमुह्यति
Nayotsya.
नयोत्स्यैति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः. तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत.
Yena sarvam.
येन सर्वमिदं ततं विनाशमव्ययस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति. अन्तवन्तैमे देहाः नित्यस्योक्ताः
Kalpate.
कल्पते नासतो विद्यते
Very good.
भावः नाभावो विद्यते सतः. उभयोरपि
Nabhavo.
नाभावो विद्यते सतः. उभयोरपि
Visarga has to be
दृष्टुम्
said. If you'll miss a visarga, they'll cut the mark. Okay.
उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः
Swam
अविनाशः
prapannam.
छोत्नमिद्धं
One minute.
राज्यं
My connection
सुराणामपि
had my connection had gone. Can you start from Tvam Prapannam again?
त्वां प्रपन्नं न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमिद्धम्
Naitattvai upapadyate.
नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते. क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं
Ashrupurna.
अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणं विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः
तस्मात्
तस्माद्युध्यस्व भारत य एनौ वेत्ति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
answer. When you finish, you have to say Hari Om.
हरि ओम श्री
Mm.
गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम.
Excellent. Just say that second line, न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्. After that,
नायं भूत्वा भविता वा.
so don't say Nayam Bhutva because Bhu is Dirgha over there. Nayam Bhutva, Bhutva, stretch the Bhu. Say.
नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः.
Correct. The rest, everything was perfect. Well done. So traditionally, you have to dress tomorrow. Don't wear frock. Wear some long dress. And if you have some, what you can say, some ghagra choli, that kind of a dress is very good. But don't wear a small frock or a small skirt. Okay. And wear some tika on your forehead. Don't go with a blank forehead. Okay. Dress very nicely. Face the audience if there are any audience. If there are no audience, look at the judges into their eyes. Don't give any blank look anywhere. Arjun, you are also listening now. So this is applicable for you also. So not to stare at the ceiling or somewhere at the wall opposite. If you have audience, look at the audience and change your head so that everywhere in the whole hall, if there is a hall and if there are audience, you are seeing everyone into their eyes. Don't put a blank gaze anywhere. And if there are no audience, if it's only the judges, and if how many, 2 judges, 3 judges, 4 judges, whatever number of judges, look alternately to each judge and into their eyes. And if you are thinking of the verse, don't look up and like think. Continue to look into their eyes, maintain the smile, and then you remember it and chant. But judges should not come to know that you have paused and you are thinking or doubting. So don't change the facial expression to a blank or you are worried. Keep that smile on throughout. Okay. Others should not come to know how much we are trying to remember. That is our problem. They should not come to know. Okay. Loads of love to you. All the best. Hari Om, darling. Hari Om. Hari Om, Arjun. Ready?
Hari Om, yes.
Okay. Let us continue. You can exit, Ida. Okay, so where we will start from? Let us start from Matra Sparshastu.
मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्णसुखदुःखताः आगमापायिनो नित्याः ताौ स्थितिक्षस्व भारत यौ हि न व्यथयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषश्रभ समदुःखसुखं धीरम्.
Okay, now I want you to chant how you are going to chant in front of judges. So the pitch should be higher and the speed should be controlled so that every alphabet is heard. Yam hi na vyathayantyete purusham purusharshabha. So, not so casual. Yam hi na vyathayantyete purusham purusha. This will not work. So now you are going to chant as you are going to chant in the competition. Pitch go higher. Higher pitch gives impact deeper on the listeners because then the vibrations are felt. You are creating. So now you have the power to create that vibration which Lord Krishna did for Arjuna on the battlefield. So the chanting purpose is feeling the vibration. So don't raise. And a lower pitch will not give that impact. So go higher pitch. Start from Yamhina again.
यौहि न व्यथयन्ते ते पुरुषं पुरुषश्रभ समदु
Purusha?
पुरुषश्रभ
No.
ओ
Hey.
पुरुषं पुरुषश्
Purusham Purusharshabha.
पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ समदुःखसुखं धीरं सोमृतत्वाय कल्पते नासतो विद्यते भावः नाभावो विद्यते सतः
Yachokam.
यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमा वसपत्नमृद्धं राजं सुराणाम् Hello?
Sorry, my my connection went because there was a power change. Now it's taken over the backup system. So I have heard you till Rajyam Sudana. Can you continue from there?
राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यं सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा हृषीकेशं गुडाकेशः परन्दप
Ya enam.
य एनमजमव्ययं कथौ स पुरुषः पाथ कं घातयति हन्तिकम्
One more. Ya enam.
य एन वेति हन्तारं यश्चैनं हन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते न जायते
Shitoshna.
शीतोष्णसुखदुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्याः तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत यौ हि न व्यथयन्त्येते
Nityasyokta.
नित्यस्योक्ता शरीरिणः अनाशिनो प्रमेयस्य तस्माद्युध्यस्व भारत येन
Yadiva.
Can you repeat that?
Yadiva. Yadiva.
योजयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्य
Natvaneme.
न त्वन्ने मे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे
Say that
वयं
sharp nicely, no, Murdhani. Nachaiva na bhavishyamaha. Let the Murdhani shra come. You will score bonus points on all this, huh, if shras come very nicely.
points.
Yeah. If all pronunciations, then the prize winning chances are, if everybody is chanting good, then where they will see, when they will see like this, shra is good, voice and pitch is good, speed is good, confidence is good, he looked at me so many times. So when like these will score more points, these are brownie points.
न चैव न भविष्यामः
Correct.
वयमतः परं देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारे यौवनञ्जरा तथा
Na shoshayati.
न शोषयति मारुतः अच्छेद्योऽयमदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो शोष्य एव च नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः न चलोऽयौ सनातनः
Karyo.
अविकार्योऽयमुच्यते तस्मादेवं विदित्वैनं नानुशोचितुमर्हसि
Tatha dehantara.
तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्णसुखदुःखदाः
Madhusudana.
मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि
Madhusudanaha.
मधुसूदनः
Very
श्रीभगवानुवाच
good.
कुतस्त्वाकर्ष्मलमिदं
Say again that.
कुतस्त्वाकर्ष्मलमिदं विषमे
Kashmala.
उपस्थितं
Kataranno gariyaha.
कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः याने बहत्वान जिजीविष
Ubhayorapi.
उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः अविनाशि तु तद्विद्धि येन सर्वमिदं ततं
Senayor.
सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः श्रीभगवानुवाच अशोच्यानन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे
Don't go nasal. Don't go nasal. That's not your natural voice. Pradnyavanamscha bhashase.
There's no nasal there. प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे. My mom told me there's nasal there.
Pradnyavadamscha is a nasal, but not na pradnya. That is normal.
प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गता
Avyaktoyam.
अव्यक्तोऽयमचिन्त्योऽयम् अविकार्योऽयमुच्यते तस्मादेमौ विदित्वैनं नानुशोचितुमर्हसि
Hari Om.
हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु
Very good. Well done. So tomorrow wear traditional, wear a tika, huh? Don't go blank forehead. Okay? Take
Okay.
blessings at your altar, take blessings from parents, and then go.
Wait, Chandanam.
You can put chandanam cross or you can put red kumkumam tika like this.
I'll ask my friends, they are brahmachari, so they will have the red kumkum. I'll ask them for
Yes. All the best. You are well prepared, but watch your video again. Watch others' video also because they will also be competing with you. So you should also know like what if anything different.
the competition. Morning I leave. Today last practice.
Yes, today is the last practice. So watch your video, definitely. I want your pitch higher and I want your speed slower. I want the contact with each and every person in that hall where you are chanting with your eyes. Your eyes should not roll up anytime to the ceiling or to the blank wall. And no thinking expression is shown. Smile only. Okay.
Actually, usually when I'm saying like Bhagavad Gita, there's a Krishna here.
Oh, wow.
I sit in like front of the Krishna, and then last time my mom sent you like a video of
Yes, I saw that. I was so happy to see that. So beautiful. May his blessings always shower on you, my dear child.
Thank
All
you.
the best.
Hari
Can't
Om.
wait for the result. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Okay.